Hey guys, welcome back to Dish So Sweet. Today I'm sharing a simple shawarma recipe with you guys. This recipe has been my go-to for a while, so let's get cooking. Before we start, I would like to say welcome to all our new subscribers. For this recipe, I used two chicken thighs that I deboned. I cut it up into little pieces. Then I'm adding some salt, ginger powder, paprika, and some seasoning. After adding your spices, what you need to do is to mix that up. If you've got the time, you can cover this with some cling film and place it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to 1 hour to marinate. Now I'm adding some grounded pepper and my curry powder. Mix that in and let it sit for about 30 minutes before you fry. After 30 minutes, place a pan on your stove, add a little bit of oil to that, let that heat up, and then add the chicken into the pan. You can spread it out to get an even cook and fry that for about 5 to 10 minutes and you get this lovely looking chicken. So you set that aside and let's make our sauce. First, the first ingredient for the sauce is the evaporated milk. It adds a little bit of lushness to the sauce that you are going to love. Then I'm adding some mayonnaise and ketchup. You'll find the measurement to this recipe below this video, so you want to check that out. So after mixing the sauce together, so now I'm just going to set that aside and pan grill my sausages in the same frying pan I used earlier. After that, we are going to mix up our salad. We're going to mix that up by adding some shredded cabbage, shredded carrots, and the chicken we made earlier. And then we're going to add our shawarma sauce into that. So the shawarma sauce you can reduce, increase depending on how you like it. So yeah, we're going to mix that up nicely, and then we're going to bring out our shawarma bread. Fill it up with some cabbage filling, the mix we just made, and then add our sausages. I'm using 2 of that. You can use more, you can use less depending on what you like. Then we are going to wrap this deliciousness up. So usually when I'm making shawarma, I just wrap up everything, make sure it's ready before I start grilling. So guys, after building our shawarma, wrapping up, we're going to grill for about 5 minutes on the pan. You can use an oven, you can use a grill, yeah, but today I am using my frying pan. After grilling on all sizes, all 4 sizes, then your shawarma is ready to be devoured. So guys, that is how to make shawarma. I hope this video was helpful, and if you get to give this a try, let me know how it goes. You can tag me at Dish So Sweet on all platforms. And if you're watching this video and you have not followed us yet, you have not subscribed to our channel yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe so you'll be the first to see our videos when we post. So I'm signing out because I need to devour this shawarma. So guys, I'll see you next time. I Hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope you get to give this a try. Give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.